Noticing your dog is limping can be really worrying and confusing. Is it a simple sprain from playing a little too rough? The first signs of something chronic like arthritis? Or just some stiffness you've been noticing after they get up from a nap? Hi, I'm Linda from Vetster, and today our goal is to help you make sense of it all. We're going to cover what to look for, from minor issues to serious red flags, so you know exactly what to do and when to worry. As always, all of the information in this video has been carefully reviewed by leading Vetster veterinarians. So what does limping actually look like in dogs? Limping can show up in a few different ways. Maybe it's a soft skip in their step, or they're holding up a paw, just barely touching it to the ground. In some cases, they won't use the leg at all. Some dogs show jerky or uneven movement in their whole body. Others just shift their weight a little awkwardly. It might come on suddenly or develop slowly. It could be worse after exercise or rest. It might even look a little different on carpet versus tile. And here is a crucial point. Dogs are masters at hiding pain. They might still eat, still wag their tail, or still try to act normal. But if they're limping, even slightly, they're uncomfortable. Don't let their bravery fool you into waiting. Here's what to do straight away. Start by gently checking their leg and paw. Look for swelling, cuts, bruises, or anything stuck between their toes, like a burr or splinter. A tiny thorn in a paw pad could cause a big reaction. You must also know the signs of a true emergency. Get to an emergency vet right away if you see any of these red flags. Severe or uncontrollable bleeding. The leg is hanging at a weird angle or looks paralyzed. Severe swelling of the limb. They have multiple injuries elsewhere on their body. They are collapsing, unable to stand, or show extreme weakness. They have labored or rapid breathing or pale gums. The limb is getting worse very quickly. They are showing signs of extreme pain, like crying out or refusing to move. Or if they suddenly become wobbly and uncoordinated. If you don't see those urgent signs, your next step is to take a quick video of the limb. Dogs like to act fine once they get to the clinic, so having that footage helps a lot. And if you want answers quickly, you can actually upload that video for a vet to review during an online appointment with Vetster. It's a great way to get professional advice without even leaving your home. Now let's break down the common causes of dog limping. Limping is a symptom, not a diagnosis, and the list of potential causes, it's long. It might be something simple like a sprain or a muscle strain. Maybe it's a dog paw injury like a cracked pad or torn nail, but it could be more serious like a torn ligament. Vets call this CCL disease, which is kind of like an ACL tear in humans. That's a common reason dogs limp on back legs. There's also hip or elbow dysplasia, luxating patella, or even arthritis. And don't forget about infections. Lyme disease can absolutely cause lameness. In rare but serious cases, it could be a neurological issue like a spinal problem or even cancer. That's why guessing isn't safe. The symptoms don't always match the severity. So what happens at the vet? What should you expect? Your vet will start with a full physical exam. Depending on what they find, they may recommend more tests like x-rays, blood work, or even a CT or MRI. If the issue is simple, like a thorn in the paw, they'll remove it and send you home with care instructions. But if it's something more, treatment might include pain relief, rest, anti-inflammatories, or in some cases surgery or long-time physical therapy. And remember, never give your dog human medication unless your vet specifically says it's safe. Many common pain relievers are toxic to dogs. Also, don't wrap the leg or use a splint without guidance. It can do more harm than good. So what's the takeaway? If your dog is limping, that's their way of saying something's wrong. Don't ignore it. Acting quickly is the best thing you can do for them. You can check out our playlist on common dog health questions right here. And remember, peace of mind is just a click away with Vetster. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.